I've noticed the standard American diet is coffee for breakfast, nothing for lunch, and a big old fat dinner, and then you go to bed. So, step one, fix the food, right? So that we break that down and figure that out. Step two, resistance training, right? So ellipticals are great, but resistance training is going to help build the muscle, which in turn builds the metabolic rate. So even if your goal is to lose fat, by building the muscle, you're going to do that. So we fix the food, we make sure the water intake is proper. We make sure we don't have any underlying issues, whether that's digestive issues, thyroid issues, any medical conditions that's preventing any weight loss, high cortisol levels, any of which case. So we get down to the bottom of that, and then we just assess tolerance towards stimulant, dairy products, anything, because if we're going to look for meal replacements or certain thermogenics, we just got to figure out what's going to work the best for you without putting you over the top.